Thank you for tuning in to Homeschool Homesteaders. Today we're going to talk about birch tree sap. Here is some lovely images, videos of birch trees that are growing on my land. And in early spring, when temperature reaches 45-50 F, you could collect the sap and drink it with a kit like this. This is not the best kit, but for starters, it works just fine. I actually bought mine for $13, but this screenshot shows it on sale. In this kit, you will have tubes and you will have these, I'm not sure what they're called, but this is what goes into the tree. And so basically you connect them, something looks like this. You will need a lot of force, and I will show it later in the video how much force you will need. If you told me 10 years ago that I'm going to be collecting some sap from some birch tree, and drinking it, I would obviously not believe you. However, now I have to work on my urges and not collect too much sap. With that said, let there be a cautionary warning to all of you guys. So if you try it, you will never quit. You will drill a hole maybe ½ inch into the tree. The kit does not have bottles, so you'll have to provide your own containers.
Now the runs over.
And once you have the tube, you will have to find something to collect the sap in. In my case, I'm just going to use a mason jar for one tree. And basically, it doesn't have to be fancy. And you use tin foil, kind of make a roof so you don't have any rain in here. My other container is a big water bottle that my wife no longer uses. And same thing, you will tie it up to a tree, nice and tight. I will probably add another bungee cord to secure it better. And same thing, you use tin foil as a lid so you don't collect any other unnecessary liquids. You only want the sap from the tree. And now you play the waiting game. If the temperature is above 50, you will get sap very quick. However, I like to do mine early spring when it's like 45 to 50, so it drips at a slow pace. Notice that at nighttime we have snow, so we had some snow come, so obviously it's going to go a lot slower. However, when you do it early spring, you have very crystal clear sap. And then when the temperature gets above 50, within 10 hours, you could get this mason jar filled with sap. So it's a very fun experiment. I encourage all of you to try it at least once, and you'll probably do it every springtime. And if you look at the jar, you notice there's some sediment. That's why the kit does have filters that you could get the sediment out. However, if you try it, I don't know how to... It tastes like water with a slightly woody taste, like very, very slight. Maybe flavorless Gatorade, watered down flavorless Gatorade. So it's really hard to describe. It tastes like water, but there's a aftertaste, like a slight woody aftertaste. And so hopefully this motivated you guys to go collect some sap next spring. And make sure you plug up the holes. And what I do is I just take a random branch, shave it to its size, and shove it in. And use a hammer, pound it in, because otherwise it's going to leak out fluids that you could have been drinking, but instead it will go back to the tree and provide you many years of birch sap. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys learned something and you're motivated to go collect some sap.